So to save everybody a lot of hassle and heartache, a few things you're going to need when you buy the serve and store prep cart. So everybody's complaint, of course, is that it does not come with the adapter to hook the hose up to your sink, which is a valid gripe. So I called Blackstone. They recommended I go to Lowe's, buy several different adapters to connect it, and I'm going to cut all that out. So this is the part right here that comes attached to your faucet, right? The part that comes along with it, the sink. And what Blackstone is going to tell you, they're going to have you go get adapters to connect to this. It's like 2 or 3 different adapters, right? So this is what we're going to do. Save you a lot of time. Cancel this out of the equation. So unscrew this part off, right? I'm trying to get in focus. There we go. There we go. Unscrew this part off. Get rid of it. You don't need it, right? Instead, go to Lowe's, and this is what you're going to get. Sorry, I already got the part attached. But you're going to look for this right here. You see it? Take a note of this. And what this is going to allow you to do, you connect this directly to the faucet, and then you can connect your hose directly to this. Boom. It's like $7, whatnot, something like that. So this is what you need. Forget what they tell you to buy. It's going to be more adapters than you need. This is all you need right here, this part. Take a picture of it. Sorry if the lens wasn't in focus. But one more time, get rid of this. Get rid of this. That comes when they unscrew it, take it off, throw it away, whatever. Buy this. All right, so that's the first thing. Second thing you're going to need, if you plan on leaving this connected to your faucet, you're going to need a Y adapter. Got this for like $3 at Walmart. So connect this to your faucet, hook this one to the hose running to your sink, and hook this other one to your natural garden hose. That way you can shut each one off independently when you don't need to use it. So that's the second thing you need. All right, okay, backwards again. So we got the Y adapter, got that out the way. All right, the last thing, well, actually, I got one more thing aside from this. So to drain your sink, what you're going to need, I just went to Home Depot. I'm sure Lowe's sells it as well. You're going to want to get this vinyl tubing. Take note of the size right there. You're going to get this vinyl tubing, nice and long, and this actually snugly just fits on the receiver or the nipple end of the drain, and there's more than enough hose to run it off your patio or run it somewhere away from where you have your prep cart set. So that's cool. Now, with me, as we all know, the prep cart, these panels fold down, collapse, whatnot. I want to keep it stationary, right? So I want to keep it stationary, keep my sink up. So what I did is I went and bought a cover that's big enough to cover the whole thing. And for that cover, you're going to want to grab this right here. Got this from Walmart. I think it was like 25 bucks. Probably much cheaper than one Blackstone sells, whatnot. Who knows? Whatever you prefer. This works perfectly. It covers the whole grill with the faucet still up, faucet still attached. There's more than enough room. It's not tight. It doesn't put any stress on anything, but it's perfect. So I highly recommend this. That way you can leave your prep station up as long as you want. So these are the things that I think you should buy in addition to the prep station. So once you get it put together, you don't have to turn around and run back out to the store for extra parts. Oh, no, I lied. One more thing. This keeps getting better. Okay, so the last thing that I can think of now that you're going to buy with your prep cart is going to be, so my whole thing with the prep cart, I like to prep things ahead of time, set them somewhere so bugs can't get to them, so they're out of the way, right? And I want to keep my prep table clean. So I looked and I figured that this would be a perfect storage space. However, the average size bacon tins that I put burgers in and stuff when I prep them was way too large for that opening. So I went and got these for Walmart, like 97 cents, cake pans with lids, right? Of course, take the lid off. You can use that to cover it afterwards. But what I do is I take these, put my burgers, whatever it is I'm prepping on it, and they fit right in there. And then what I do in between sheets is I take some skewers. Boom, metal skewers will probably work better, but I take skewers and I just place the skewers on the top of the lid of that. That way when I put the next pan on, the pressure is evenly distributed. It doesn't crush the whole thing. So that's a great idea. Close it snugly, excuse me. So when you're ready to grill, boom, you can just go take out what you need. You don't have to run back in the house. You keep your countertop space clean, and It works perfectly. So those are the things that I feel you need to get up and running with your Blackstone.